Hey guys, how you doing? NMPR Fan 94 here. Welcome back to the channel. So today I've got a little special video for you. Of course, I had some posts this morning, so this is going to be an unboxing / review video. So, of course, I hope you enjoyed my my Zeo Green video that I uploaded last night. Just again, let me know what you thought of that there. So today I am going to do an unboxing. So I don't know I guess what it is, but I suppose I told you last night what it is. So it is simply the Ninja Black Ranger, which I'm so happy to get. And of course, thank my fiance for buying me this. Again, thank you, darling. Really appreciate it. So just open it. Again, if you are opening stuff, make sure you use a Stanley knife or a safety blade, and then cut away from yourself always. Just use the camera just so you can see me do it. Always make sure you use safety blade or a Stanley knife or whatever. Oh yes. Oh yes. There we are, the Ninja Black Ranger, or Ninja Ranger. Depends what reference. If you're referencing the movie, it's Ninja, and if you reference season 3, it's just Ninja. So, there you are, guys. Just show you a close up of it. Right, I will open it up, and then I will review it. Again, safety. Stanley knife, be careful you don't cut yourself because they're extremely sharp. Especially this Stanley, because I got this Stanley knife for Christmas, so it's still really sharp. You need to be careful. I kind of half wrapped it. Depends what box you get at Conductor. There. Jeez, that was hard. There's sellotape there. Where's the sellotape there? Sliders for sellotape. Never happened to our figures. Like sellotape. Oh, I don't know, guys. I do not know. Of course, I always keep the boxes because I put them in my art wall, which is looking very good. I have them all lined up on the side of the full face. It's very good. I will just give you a show of after this. So, oh yes. Oh. Right, let's just get them out of the packet. There we are out of the packet. So good. Right guys, that'll do for the unboxing bit, so I will just set up the camera and I will do a review of it. So I will, so just bear with me while I do that, guys. Normally I do an unboxing and review separately, but since I'm ready to see all my reviewing, so I might as well review the figure. So give me a sec to set the camera up and I will give you my review of it and what I think of it. So guys, here we have the MMPR Ninja or Ninja Black Ranger, whatever you want to call it. So again, as I do in my normal videos, my usual reviews, I will show you the box. You have the art and then the window so you can see the figure, but of course I have the figure out. You have the usual Power Rangers Lightning Collection branding. You have the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers logo with the half face. Then you have the promotional art, which always looks better than the actual figure. And then you have the side photo, which I use for my wall of art, which I will show you after. You haven't seen it in a wee while on camera, it's coming along nicely. But there you are guys, there's the box. So, standard box, nothing too exciting. So I'll now get on to the figure. So here we have the figure, so I'll just show it up close. I know you've seen it in its packet, but oh yeah. That's the season, that's the Power Rangers season mask that they wore. Which I always liked. And of course they always done this when they were fighting the Tengas. And of course you can see the frog logo, and then there's the back of it. Oh, the detail in this figure is absolutely fantastic. So it is. And then its accessories comes with a swooshing type thing. Comes with a hood, which goes with the hooded mask. There's the hooded mask itself. They never really used this in the show, just for morphing, but they used this in the MMPR movie. And then that was whenever they were getting their powers, and also in the movie as well. So you get 3 heads, which is quite nice. And then you just get the standard usual, then you get the standard hands just. Like so. And that's all the accessories. So I'm going to show you with all their heads. Of course, you can see I have the Ninja Zords in the background. Which I always include my Zords, no matter... okay, there's going to be a couple of those where I won't have their Zords because I don't have them. But hopefully by the time I get to Dino Thunder or SBD, I will have their Zords. I hope anyway. So I will put the heads on. So again, I'm very nervous about doing this here, so you just twist it and it comes off. And that looks like a new ball joint to me because of what was happening. So of course there's a wee separate bit that is used for the full helmet. So and then you put that on like that. And of course the head just goes on like that. See if you can see that okay. Pretty cool. I haven't had a Ninja Ranger since I was a kid. I actually had this Ranger, the 90s version, which was really cool. It was actually finally cool to actually get it in the lightning form, which is really cool. So they used that in the movie when they were fighting the rock monsters before they got their powers back. Which is really cool. So when you're pulling this off, make sure you hold on to the hood, because that will come off. And then just... This definitely feels like a new ball joint they put onto the figures. There's Adam with his hair on, no problem. My figure is kind of stiff at the minute, but it's just because I've just got it. It's pretty much brand new out of the box. So, but I don't know what way I'm going to pose it. Maybe just like that or something. Right, just put his full head back on again. There you are, just put the full head on. So cool to finally have a Ninja figure, really is. I will warn people, but if you're going to places like Forbidden Planet or anywhere out in High Street, just be careful, because these are roughly around £28 on the internet. But if you go into High Street stores, they could do you £34, £35, so just be careful about that. It's definitely cheaper to get it online, so just remove those accessories. Let me bring down the black laser. Oh yeah, look at them together. Oh, so sweet. Just try and get this into a good pose, guys, that's all. Trying to get into stand just. Hopefully over time it'll loosen. It's very stiff. That's the best I can get them standing up. It's very sort of forward, but I'll just show them both together up close. Oh yeah, look at that, so cool. Of course, I really shouldn't have them with the power axe, because by the time they had the ninja powers, they didn't use the power weapons, but hey, it is what it is. Right. Right, I'm going to bring in one dude that definitely deserves to be in the video. Ninja! Which is what he was saying, that stupid cloud. Really, what was with that voice when Ninja, like? Of course, I can now at least make one of the pictures of when they got their ninja powers. Like so. To be fair, they had the different head on, but I'll do a picture of that later to post on my Instagram and Facebook. Right, that's really all I have to say about this, guys. I didn't think it would be too quick a review today, but so I'm just going to show you putting my box away into my wall of art. So just give me 2 seconds to set my camera up. But before that, I'll give you another close-up of it. So cool. Really cool. So guys, this is currently my art wall. Whenever I just tap it down a bit, you'll see it goes right down to the floor. Starting with MMPR, and I work my way down. So where am I going to put it? I think I'm going to put it just after the Tenga. So and before I end the video, I'm going to show something with my ninja figure that I forgot, which is really cool. And I did actually forget, he's up there in my villain display, but I'll bring him down shortly once I do this. I don't know whether to put the Ninja Ranger then the Tenga, or a potty that been hitchhiking on my film there. I know he fell off my top and That's where he landed. Right. I'll put Tenga first and then the Ninja figure. So where's the box? Where's the box? Here we go. Oops. Left the green out there. There we are. Well, there are, guys. My wall of art. I'll just show you all of them again. So that's the Tyrannosaurus Sentry, Ranger Slayer, Lord Dragon, Cyber Blood and Blaze, Base Morphers Blue and Red, SPD A Squad Pink, Shadow Ranger, SPD Pink, SPD Green, SPD Red, Dino Thunder White, Dino Thunder Blue, Dino Thunder Red, Time Force Red, Magna Defender, Lost Galaxy Blue, Lost Galaxy Red, In Space Yellow, In Space Black, Zeo Gold, Zeo Blue, Zeo Green, Zeo Red, Black MMPR, Black Ninja Ranger, Tenga, Zed Potty, Goldar Lord Zed, White Ranger, Black MMPR, White, Green, Black, Pink, Blue, Yellow, Red, and the Automorphin Ninja. And then you have my double figures. You've got Rita Lord's Head pack, you've got the King Sphinx, which is one pack, but I have it there because it's a bit bigger. You've got the Potty Green Ranger pack, the Astronomer in Space Red pack, and way down there, if you can see it, is my SPD Blue and my Psycho Red, Lost Galaxy Red 2-pack. That's my wall of art, guys. So I will bring the camera back to my cabinet or my unit, and I will show you something else before I wrap the video up. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that wee tour of my art wall. So what I forgot to do was, when they got their ninja powers, the potties were now gone, and they were greeted with a new foot soldier, which is the Tango Warrior, which I can now do poses with this guy and the Tango Warrior, which is really cool. So I'll just put this in a pose again. It stands, which is probably not going to do. There we are. There we are. We're going to have Adam as if he's about to fight the Tenga. I must say they do look well together. Just smacking the Tenga in the mouth, just. So cool. Definitely really cool. Well guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Again, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and let me know what you think. So we're still, yep, that's pretty much all there is to it today, guys. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys around. Again, thanks for watching, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys around. This is MMPR Fan 94 signing off. I'll see you guys later. Bye. So guys, I'm just posting a picture at the end of the video of my Ninja or my Power Rangers Season 3 display with Ninja and my Ninja figure displayed. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you guys around. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you around. Bye!